This is an Ariel screw made by Leonardo da Vinci. And he thought that it was meant to screw into the air because he figured out that air had mass. So he would make it and it'd spin, and he would expect it to just fly up and just stay in the air. Bye.
All right, don't just say bye yet. Can you turn it? Can you operate it?
No.
Why not?
Because we're missing a piece.
Well, spin it. How does it supposed to spin?
You spin this, and then this moves, and that turns.
All right, cool.